Don't mind me, I have a face mask on, but you guys, literally every comment and like review is the same for this respiratory lung support from Peak Performance. Here is a better view, 6 of like the highest quality herbs for lung support. So yeah, if you have like a lingering cough or anything like that, if you're a smoker, like seriously check out this respiratory lung health. Our entire family has taken it and found relief with various coughs. Plus I have friends and like random people that I don't even know that follow me on TikTok have come up to me, been like, hey, I tried that, those lung drops and they really work. So that has been really cool. This is how our family takes it. There's actually little to no flavor, so you can mix it in anything. This is obviously just water, but like in my son's, I would just put his in like orange juice. And always make sure to give your tinctures a nice good shake and just take one whole dropper full. There's even more information about these drops in that shopping cart, or actually you can even click that comment above.